Select the roof object from the architectural menu. Define the size of the roof by level. Insert roof nodes along the perimeter of the building. Conclude this phase by clicking on Finish. Automatically access the roof editor where you can define your building rooftops. You can also automatically define the roof size. Select the roof object from the architectural menu. Activate the space option from the ribbon. Click inside the perimeter of the building with the magic wand. Get the size of the roof. Select the identified area and access the roof editor by clicking on the Edit button.